How to fix locked Snapchat account. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you have to open the app that you want to work on. That's a very simple thing. You have to open the app. As you open the app, then you have to go on the settings options of the app. Now as you go to the settings option, you have to go scroll down and go to I need help under the support option. Now under the support option, as you go to my help, it will take some time because it is working online. Now you have to go on contact us. As you click on contact us, over here you will have, I think my account has been compromised. You have to click on your compromised, and over there you will have to put in your username, email address, phone number, whatever you have, and your information that you want to give them that your account was compromised. You have to tell them that my account was compromised and then it was doing some suspicious activities, then it was locked. As you tell it all of the activities over here, then it will be easily able to unlock your account. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, read down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.